Hi, and welcome. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Tonya. I am the founder of yogabytonya.com. And today, for our little online yoga chat, I was going to chat to you about why online yoga works. So let's go ahead and get to it. So there are many reasons. And I think that they're personal for every person. But one of our top reasons is that there is no commute. So if you are busy, like most of us are, you don't have to worry about commuting. I have an online membership, so that helps to keep accountable with your home practice because you have to schedule time to be there if you want to join the live classes. But also another reason is that you can practice anytime. So you're at home online. Yoga works because you can practice anytime. You don't have to try to squeeze it into your schedule. And another reason is because you can practice from home, which I think all those three things there are just really intimately connected. And another reason is for a variety of classes. A lot of times teachers just teach the same sequence over and over, and there's many reasons for that. That's not always a bad thing. It's not always a good thing. But yeah, so a variety of classes is helpful. Another reason is you can progress at your own pace. You're not in a classroom environment that can be competitive. So you can always just go at your own pace, what feels comfortable to you. And I would recommend you do that in person classes also. Another reason is privacy. So maybe you're just starting out and you don't feel comfortable, or maybe you just like to work out in private and you just prefer some privacy, especially if you're practicing yoga. I mean, some people do. A lot of people often go to the back of the class, the black back of the class always fills up first before the front rows of the class in person classes because of privacy issues. Another reason is yoga does help with stress reduction. So if you're busy and your life is chaotic and you're just running around like crazy, just know that yoga helps with stress reduction and also self-care. So yoga, especially your at-home online practice, helps to be part of your self-care routine. And I hope that you do have a self-care routine because that's very important, especially if you have a family or a partner, which all of us have a family, but just as part of giving back to others, taking care of yourself is something you should prioritize. Also, community. There is online spaces that have strong community. Um, you can find that. And finally, I would say online yoga classes, you can practice yoga at a lower cost. It's more affordable than a studio or a gym, which I know many gyms have some affordability too, but I would say online yoga is the most affordable, um, where you can practice more on-demand classes rather than in a gym where they have sporadic classes or very few yoga classes. I've taught at gyms, so I'm quite familiar. So yeah, so if you are interested in yoga, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel here, Yoga by Tanya, for yoga, excuse me, for yoga every day of the week or every week. I am trying to get some classes or something out for you. So yeah, I hope to see you soon. Please go ahead and subscribe and like this video.